Hello kids, tonight I'm gonna read you a story about the Krebs cycle. What is Krebs cycle? Chemical reactions that occur in most aerobic organisms. When glucose and other molecules, which is really tiny things, are broken down into carbon dioxide and water. The process releases a chemical energy called ATP, and this is how it's formed. The first step is pyruvate that starts with glucose that has 6 carbon split into 2. Next step is the oxidation of pyruvate to acyl CoA when 2 molecules of CO2 and NADH are generated. Next, the acyl-CoA combines with oxalate to create citrate. Next step is going to be isocitrate. From that, it is oxygenated to the next step called alpha glutarate, and a new molecule of NADH is formed plus 1 CO2 molecule, which is still very tiny little pieces. Next step is called cis CoA, and another NADH is being formed and CO2 is being released. Next, cis-CoA is being converted to succinate by enzymes, which help move things around. Next step is fumarate and a molecule called QH2 that converts into FADH2. Next is malate and goes back to oxygenate, which another molecule of NADH is being released. And that's the end of the Krebs cycle, which result electron transport chain to generate ATP, which gives our body energy. So that's the end of the story tonight, kids. Good night.